Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah Shazwani binti Muhammad Adnan, and I will explain about the introduction of rare earth. Rare earth is a mineral which contain the element of rare earth and other metal. Rare earth element consists of 17 elements which can be found in the periodic table, and there are two types, which is heavy and light or light rare earth element. Usually rare earth element can be found in the earth crust, such as in China, Russia, India and United States. As for the medical application, elements such as praseodymium can be used for the radiotherapy, and for lanthanum element can be used for the MRI system. However, the main focus is only one element, which is holmium, which can be used to treat cancer and kidney stone. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Abdul Hadi, metric number 18DN180068. So today I will talk about the holmium. Holmium is a broad F in periodic element chart. It belonging to the next group. It's known as rare earth element that is relatively light, malleable and soft. In biomedical industry, holmium had been applied for treating cancer and kidney stone with a proper procedure. Okay, for holmium in treating kidney stone also can be known as urothiasis, renal calculi, or nephrolithiasis. Is group of salt and mineral that form inside patient kidney. The stone can pass out spontaneously if the size are less than 4 mm. In treating the kidney stone, there are three types of treatment can be applied. Firstly is extracorporeal shockwave lithotripsy or ESWL, percutaneous nephrolithotomy (PCNM), and holmium laser lithotripsy. So today I will talk about the holmium laser lithotripsy. Holmium laser lithotripsy is the best procedure in removing the stone that are located in the urinary tract by using laser if the PCNM and ESW procedure cannot be applied. This can be applied for the situation the stone is in ureters, bladder and kidneys. In breaking up the stone, the holmium laser is inserted through the urethra. How about the procedure? Okay, for the procedure, there are few procedures in breaking part of kidney stone in the urinary tract by holmium laser lithotripsy. With a ureteroscope, pass into the tube of the urinary tract. The instrument hollow like a straw with a long thin tube that known as ureteroscope is needed. Through the urethra, the scope enter the urinary. The urine will get out the body through the tube. In assessing the stone, the scope will continue pass through the urethra, bladder, into the ureter, then to the kidney. Then the way how the stone can be get rid through the scope to the stone, a fiber like a sand. Once the doctor sees the stone, the laser will beam the stone by the fiber, break the stone. The small pieces of the stone may be removed that is passed through the scope by using basket. The remaining we get rid from the kidney by passing through the urine in form of small sand pieces. Thank you. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sufi Huzaimi bin Muhammad Fauzi. Okay, now I will explain about how holmium laser treating cancer cells. First, the surgeon should set up the holmium laser energy between 1.5 to 2.2 joules and the pulse set up in between 15 to 20 Hz, and the power of the resultant of holmium lasers should set up between 20 to 40 watts. First, as you can see here, this is an illustration of how the surgeon removed the cancer cells. First, around the lesion, the tumor edge was produced approximately to 1 cm away in shape of circular blockage mark of coagulation. Every transparent channel to or from the tumor was coagulated and blocked to limit intraoperative bleeding prior to resection. A shape like a fan incision along the mark was made in the wall of the bladder before the muscle layer becomes clear. After that, the lesion was lifted by the power of the irradiation wave, which slowly uncovered the base of the tumor, rendering the resulting resection very straightforward. Okay, next I will explain about how useful or advantages of holmium laser. First, when used in conjunction with a compact cystoscope, the operation may be done with minimal anesthesia or no anesthesia at all in an outpatient environment. When tissue penetration is below 0.5 millimeters, there is a small chance of perforation and the spasm of the shutter is non-existent. It enables accurate ablations with a small chance of damage to nearby structure. Lastly, the hemostatic properties of the laser enable such procedure to be carried out in a fairly bloodless environment. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Shafika binti Adha and I would like to present about the analysis of data of flexible uteroscopy lithotripsy with holmium laser for crack calculi. So this data given is based on 15 operation procedure that have been done to the patients. So based on the procedure, it is shown that the laser is not really suitable for the bigger size of stone. Besides, it is also there is also person that undergoes complication like intraoperative and postoperative complication after the operation, which is shown that the laser might have lack of something. Okay. Then let us move on to the discussion. The discussion shown that there is one of the element that is almost have the same properties to the holmium, which is thulium. Based on the data, it is shown that holmium and thulium share almost the same properties. However, there is certain difference in holmium and thulium, which is it is shown that the thulium is actually have higher shock resistance to rather than holmium. Besides, it is also shown that thulium have better cooling system, which is only using fan rather than complicated cooling system in holmium, which is using power generators. That's all from me. Thank you.
NANI? Hi, my name is Iskoyu bin Karim. My metric number is DN1800X7. There are 4 reasons why we choose thulium to replace the holmium. The first reason is water absorption peak of thulium. The coefficient absorption of liquid water within the infrared spectrum at room temperature show that thulium is better than holmium. The second one is smaller fiber. Thulium laser produce a much further rigid spotlight on laser beam and is disseminated to the smaller core by 50 to 150 micrometer diameter of laser fibers. Thulium fiber laser therefore provide the ability to incorporate remarkably thin fiber into miniaturized next generation ureteroscopy. The third one is lower pulse energy. Thulium fiber laser may deliver vibration power as low as 0.025 joule. It also speed higher homogeneous profile of temporal beam such that the power is distributed more evenly across the pulse life than the holmium. The last one, higher frequency. The construct architecture of the thulium laser fiber exceeds holmium laser. Since the vibration replicate estimation can grasp likely up to 2000 Hz. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurhanis Niti Abdul Rahim with metric number DN180074. So, let me conclude the overall studies and explanation from my friends. Holmium, which is classified as heavy rare earth elements, known as a lustrous, malleable and soft element in rare earth group, which it is used in biomedical industry to cure kidney stones and cancer. Holmium laser lithotripsy is the safest option after treatment for other kidney stones, such as PCNL and ESWL. Some advantages of this holmium laser lithotripsy are: first, patients have least trauma, including minimal complication and fast recovery. Second, ablation of superficial TCC laser can be done on bladder and upper tract tumors. Third, It can be done without incision as it only uses a tube which is long and thin like a straw known as ureteroscope, which will pass into the urinary tract tubes. However, there is another improvement in treating these kidney stones and cancer over time. Thulium, which is also an element of rare earth, are suitable material in biomedical application as a substitute for holmium. The characteristic of thulium is a water absorption peak, smaller fibers, lower pulse energy with higher frequency than holmium element. Thus, it can make treating kidney stones and cancer as simple, precise, and efficient with less pain to patients. Overall, the main focus in this study has been achieved, where we have discovered holmium as an element in the rare earth for application in biomedical industry for treating kidneys and cancer. Thank you. That's all from us.